this is the last lecture of the course. This is the final side notes. And for this one, I want to challenge you and inspire you. And I say this with love in my heart. When you watch movies or television, I want you to copy how the director and videographer, etc., make that scene. There's no reason you can't do it. Okay, and also when you watch the Oscars, I want you to watch how these amazing actresses and actors present. Watch them, learn from them, copy them, their style, their delivery at least at first, until you can develop your own style, your own delivery. But use that as greatest hits to help you, okay? And then, like, watch the little things, like when you watch the movie Jaws with Steven Spielberg, who's the best director ever, watch what he does with the camera work. Like the movie Jaws, he does this parallax effect with Roy Scheider at one point. I can't do it, although my Millennium Falcon shirt is badass, right? It's dope, as my kids would say. But there's one scene where the camera goes away and it zooms in at the same time and it looks dope. It looks awesome. It looks awesome. Or watch Martin Scorsese movies and just watch the lighting. Watch the lighting and watch, just listen to the music as well and try to emulate that if you can in your YouTube videos. And you never know. If you do that, if you try to compete with the famous movie makers, then one day you can turn your idols into your rivals. Thanks.